Snow.
And my name is Tashi.
And today we're gonna show you our poster. Open up.
Endo.
Stop. It's so basically we were making a poster about like what's like wrong in the Arctic, and basically it's global warming. And global warming is like the Earth is like getting heated up faster, and it's getting hotter. And we made our freeze ray to fix it.
It's not a freeze ray.
It is a freeze ray.
The last time.
And what we can do to fix it is no cars, no factories, no smoking, and look at what it used to be like. Wait, I don't know how to get the camera. And before there was snow, and after
This is all right, you guys.
There's no snow because it all melted.
Yeah, and now
And anything you guys want to say?
Yeah, and it's actually just a snow and ice multiplier.
Bye.
I don't know. Peace for now. Peace.
Bye. Peace.
Hi, I'm Tashi, reporting from the Arctic. Temperature is below freezing. Expect heavy snow and icy winds. Tonight there will be a blizzard. Dress warm and don't plan to swim with the orcas. Tashi out.